The Nicaraguan government says about 3,000 people are being evacuated from areas near the San Cristobal Volcano, which is spewing ash and gas. Soldiers have been sent to the region northwest of the capital after the government ordered local communities to leave. The volcano began erupting on Saturday morning and belched an ash cloud of up to 3 miles into the air. The volcano has long been active and started in mid-2008 when it expelled gas and rumbled with a series of small eruptions. A report predicts more gas emissions could be expected from the volcano. Nicaragua has been on alert since an earthquake hit neighbouring Costa Rica last week.
¿Por qué? Porque no pasó. Oye, esa mierda ya está poniéndose más fuerte, loco.
Sí, no, sí está fuerte, ese es grande.
Ese es más grande, mira hasta dónde llega la nube.
Sí, ese es grande.
Arriba, ¿no?